Buffett is buying the dip. At a time when markets are easing. A difficult time for many investors. Buffett buys the dip. Adds the billionaire investor. Several important new positions at its portfolio as an investment conglomerate. Berkshire Hathaway fielded more than 51 billions of dollars in stocks during the. This is the first quarter of 2022. Berkshire's biggest quarterly spend. A trip to recent history among the majors. The purchases were 55 million shares of. Citigroup is worth around $2.6 billion and 69 million shares of. Higher overall value of $1.9 billions of dollars were also earned by Berkshire. Substantial purchases in two energies. Chevron and Occidental companies. Petroleum legacy tech company HP and video game company Activision Blizzard. The total shares held by Berkshire for these companies are today about 159 millions for Chevron, worth around $27 billion, 143 million for West, worth about $10 billion, 121 million PS shares worth more than $4 billion and 64 million shares of Activity worth about $5 billion. Berkshire is also well on to grand operations in the first quarter of 2022. Buffett has sold all his shares in Wells Fargo, which had previously been a top holding and ever since part of its portfolio. 1989. He also sold almost all of his 1 billion shares in telecoms giant Verizon. Owns only 1.4 million shares of the. At the end of March, far from more than. He ended up owning 150 million shares. In December 2021, Buffett remains at peak. The competitor on the Forbes list is the fifth richest person in the world with a net worth of around $113 billion.